Hi, it's Dan Bunker here from United Learning's EdTech team. And I want to take a quick look at how we can embed one sway in another. I want to grab a sway from the curriculum site. So I've gone to the curriculum site and logged in. I'm looking at continuity of learning and I've gone to music because I need to supplement my sway with some music activity. So I'm going to click on a song for the day and I'm going to choose week 2. Day 8, for example, and I'm going to open up the sway. Now what I want to be able to do is embed this sway in my own one. So I can click on Share and click on Get Embed Code. And that copies the code to embed this sway into my own. So that's now on my clipboard. I can then navigate to my own sway. I've now opened my own sway and I want to paste in that music sway into my own so it becomes embedded within my own sway. So I've just created a heading card called music and I'm now ready to paste in that embed code that I copied. So I click on the plus sign and get a media card and then choose the embed option. I've now got a place to paste in my embed code. I can just use Control V on my keyboard. I'm going to set the size for the medium size. That works pretty well as an embedded sway within my own sway. And that's it. That's all there is to it. I now click on play and here's my sway. And as I scroll down, I will see a window with the other sway in it. So here's the music sway, a song for a day. I've now got a frame in which I can scroll down to find and play all the different sort of activities, listen to the music and watch the videos, etc. If my end users find that a little bit fiddly, if for example they're on a phone rather than a computer, they can hit the full screen button and that takes a full screen view of that embedded sway. And when they've finished reviewing the sway, they can exit full screen by clicking the button in the top right. So that embedding a sway within your own sway could be a really quick and easy way to bring in some specialist content like music, etc. One thing to bear in mind is you don't own that sway. You can't edit the sway, and if the sway was deleted from its source, it would no longer appear in my sway. But because it's come off the curriculum website, I think it's got a pretty long life there and I'll be able to use that for the foreseeable future. So have a go at embedding somebody's sway content into your own sway.